What's up, everybody? This is AVP_1803, and today we're at the beach. Oh my god! So we already brought everything to the fucking right here to the spot. We just have to set up.
He's making me do labor work.
These guys didn't like where we were at, so we have to fucking move now. Ow. And we got our own little house now. Hey, so like, we didn't bring any chairs. Look at what I got for everybody.
I was chairs, but I didn't. I thought we. That's what I said.
Buenas tortas.
I thought we not. Do you know how there's a torta pounder? Oh.
Yeah, really?
Type shit. There's one right in front of you. Man, you're just about to get smoked right now, bro. Watch this. This is the reason why they call me Jalen Ramsey, bro.
What the fuck are you doing? What's that? These fools are just fucking preying on my downfall. Fuck the fuck out of here.
Hi. Body, bro. What the fuck is that?
I'm kidding. His body's...
No. Nigga, I know. I'm not stupid, nigga.
Why are you asking, fool? Point the camera.
You said hella body, bro. It's like, bro.
5 inches.
Ready? Go.
The scent is not helpful.
I know it doesn't.
Okay, that's it.
More? I got knocked out.
And I got fucking tortas for everybody.
You ever heard of the Mexican pickle?
Oh yeah, these two just these two just popped up. We found them stranded on the beachway.
Yeah, they needed some saving, so we can't save them. Now we're feeding them.
You know what a Mexican pickle is?
A Mexican what?
A Mexican pickle?
A Mexican pickle?
Yeah.
What's a Mexican pickle?
You wanna see?
Ah, this guy.
Show the camera on him.
Here.
Oh shit.
Cameraman, you wanna eat right now? Or
Yeah.
Like this, bro.
Oh, good.
Money was gonna get slapped.
What's up, guys?
If you're a video angel, you gotta go first.
Handle, fuck it.
Hand out here.
Alright, handle. So we're gonna play this game, and the person sitting on that is gonna be wearing this, and the people behind them are gonna be wearing, or gonna have a glove. They're gonna hit him in the head, and
We just have to guess who it is.
yeah,
Whoever's like sitting down has to
whoever's
just
sitting down
guess.
is gonna turn around and guess who it is.
And then they guess that person is that person next on the
Yeah,
sitting down.
they
Alright,
switch spots, and then it just keeps on going and going until
Hella down for
until
that.
someone gets knocked out, right?
someone gets knocked out.
And then after whoever loses is gonna get this up there, but
But for the person to lose,
Such a beautiful day, y'all.
because there's no loser in it.
Run the fade with you right now.
yeah, because the one that gets hit the most.
Guys, we got our first contestant right here. Alright guys, we're back. I just got my ass beat.
Hey, it's not even fair though. He can see through the camera.
I can't even see. I can't see because the sun is hitting. Ah,
That was a practice run.
relax.
What the fuck?
Okay, chill out. Chill out, bro.
Look at our money, man.
Say 3, 2, 1, go. But only one person hits me, bro.
3, 2, 1, go.
It wasn't me.
But nah.
2, 1, go.
Just sit through the camera. I can't, bro. Fuck.
You can.
Ow.
That's an actual ball.
What the fuck, dude? This is low-key hard.
You're a ball.
Ow. What the fuck?
You didn't even say go yet.
It's you.
You're cheating, bro.
Oh.
2, 1, go.
Carlos.
No? 3, 2, 1, go.
It's our money.
Nah? Javier.
Oh.
Yes. Angel.
That's Angel.
Angel, you might as well eat the pickle. Angel.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, fuck.
Was it that one? Was it that one?
Angel's cooked, bro.
3, 2, 1, go.
No.
Hey. What is it, 11 points right now?
Fuck you.
Angel.
3, 2, 1, go.
What the fuck was that? That was Carlos. I had to have been Carlos.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go.
What? You're a ball.
3, 2, 1, go.
Angel. What? Nah, bro. Angel.
No, nigga.
Go, fool. Angel.
Angel, you're a bitch.
I was just plotting on you, bro.
You're a
I was
bitch.
plotting on Angel.
Angel, mango flavored pickle.
All right, Angel, here you go.
Ah, chill out.
What does it smell like? What does it smell like? Let me smell. Let me smell.
Ew, don't throw up, bro. I say face the sun though.
It tastes like a mango pickle.
It's spicy
For real.
though.
Like it actually does.
Like a mango pickle?
Like mango, but a pickle. Like a pickled mango.
Like a mango.
A pickle in a mango.
They put a mango inside a pickle jar and let it pickle and ferment.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Look at the reflection on that shit in the back. Oh hell no.
Dude,
no.
look at that shit. Hey,
God
put
damn.
it to your face.
Hey,
Put it to your
no,
face.
what the fuck? Hold on.
Nah.
No, put it like.
Eat that shit.
Eat it.
What?
Bro.
Hey, did you see the tree that was coming up the hill?
Bro, hit his head on that shit hella hard.
Nah.
Nigga was walking.
I was walking up, fool. I didn't see.
Alright, before we were really interrupted.
All juiced up.
Man.
What the fuck?
God.
You've done a worse shit, fool.
Oh.
Hey.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh.
Swallow.
Oh.
Don't spit. Spitters are quitters. Spitters are quitters. Spitters are quitters.
Ew, bro. What
Spitters
the
are quitters, Angel.
Fool, was that in that?
Dude, what is your problem, bro?
Here.
I'll have her next.
Here's next.
Javier said it wasn't bad though, so I mean,
Hey,
it
who
should
was
be
the next?
good.
Who was the next one that had the
That was
points?
the last one. That was the last
He had 3. 8-3-1. He had 3. No?
No, you have 3.
No, you had 3. Fuck.
Loves
You gotta
pickles.
take a-
Javier loves pickles.
That looks nice.
I don't know you ate it.
Solid? Oh, well. Oh.
Let me see.
Okay, bro, really? That's like gotta be like crazy work. Spit that shit out. Spit that shit out. Spit that shit out. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Tell your grandma, your grandpa, go subscribe to Javier BRZ.
Like on Chick-fil-A.
Have you tried fried pickles?
I threw up.
Fried?
Fried pickles.
Fried pickles sounds great.
Bro, you eat like chocolate bacon though. So you're like your taste buds. Your taste buds are weird,
Gotta
gang.
go to a boardwalk with these niggas.
Oh, it's like
Chocolate bacon.
Chocolate bacon.
he always gets that shit. It's weird.
Like I would try it, but
Is it the same thing as like waffles and chicken?
nah, that's
Oh, that
pretty
because
good.
that's kind of
Yeah,
salted.
that's actually good.
Ooh, it's the same
It's
shit.
salted and like.
It's not though
Okay,
because
okay,
you're
what about-
chocolate.
sweet.
What about putting
You're
honey?
dipping
Ah.
in chocolate.
No, I think it's the one he gets is already like covered in chocolate.
That's why it's
Like
dipped in
hard.
chocolate. Exactly.
Like fruit. What is it, bro? Get up.
How do your toes feel, bro?
So now what, Angel? Oh, what the fuck, Angel?
Hey, how do you do a backflip?
Ready? Cut. Armani! Ah!
false start.
Armani! What the? Motion, motion. Say hi. Ah! Ah! Wasn't in? Fuck. Wow! Oh, shit, what that's called a motion. Fuck! Ah! No! Motion, motion. Say hi. Where the fuck is this nigga going? Hey, 10 yards back way. 5-yard penalty. Second down. It's an angel.
It actually is.
Hey. Ah, that was bad, bro. I threw it fucking too low. Hey. Go, here! Go!
Bro, my ankles are over there.
Ankles are somewhere over there, bro.
I mean, what?
Motion, motion. Hi. Oh, God, ball! That's out of bounds. What the fuck? Keep running. Curve, bro. I taste blood. Hey. Just kind of blood. Hey, please. Gas. Gas. Hear that? Pure gas, right? Ready? One more over there. I'm gonna catch it right there over there. Hi. Oh my God! That was my fault, little boy. That's the end of the fucking day. We've been here for a couple of hours chilling. My team lost. These motherfuckers won.
We always win, bro. You know that.
That wasn't my fault. That was QB's fault, way. Alright, boy.
Subscribe to Angel.
Like, subscribe, comment.
More videos coming up.
For real. Watch out for that twofold channel. Fucking,
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Yep.
Such a beautiful day.
Such a beautiful day, guys. Huh? What the fuck? I'm here. Some dramatic shit. He got on his knees right now and started begging, bro.
Put your arms up and look at this guy. What the?
Oh.
No.
Oh. Alright, end the clip, bro. End the clip.